Well, good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Passion for Life Gallery. It's another beautiful day here. It's December the 24th. My wife and I are just heading out on a little road trip here south to Malacatos. We've been there a number of times before. It's a beautiful place. Anyway, today we are going to look at some property down there. You've probably seen some of our videos down here from the coast. We actually have an apartment down there which we are trying to sell. We're looking at buying some property down in Malacatos. It's a beautiful area. We'll show you some of the beautiful areas down there in Malacatos, and hopefully we'll look at a piece of property today. We'll talk to you in a bit. So this is typical of many of the streets that are in the rural part of Malacatos. You see here the hedges and or the bamboo or the sugar cane grow right up against the road. So as we drive around, we were kind of looking for sale signs. For either terrenos, which is property, or casas, which is houses. As right there, se vende una casa. It's an absolutely beautiful property. I don't know if this is just an enormous mansion or if it's actually an institution of some kind. No idea, but it's absolutely gigantic and it's absolutely beautiful. Yeah.
This movie is not as shaky as because of the driver.
Always blame the driver. So this is Barrio La Granja Alta. So this property's down here somewhere. Hey, anyways, I think we missed a turn off. It's back here a bit. So we just stopped to get our directions, look at Google Maps. And we're going to turn around and head back down the hill. That's part of the process here. It's actually quite easy to get lost up here. Okay, we'll continue on. Okay, so we're back on the right road. At least we hope we are. We're looking for Rumi, or what was it called?
Yes.
Yeah. This might be a really good reason not to live down here. Problem is that when the weather's bad, it's been raining a lot, you might not be able to even get out. You definitely might want to consider a 4x4. Anyways, my wife has just informed me that we are actually in the wrong place. And that's good news because I wouldn't want to live down in here. So, one of the people that live down here has kindly permitted us to turn around in his driveway. He's got a beautiful, beautiful house down here. Okay, so we made it out of that pinch. That's what you get when you accept directions from your wife. Actually, I thought it was the right road too, but obviously we were mistaken. So we continue on. This place is up on the hill here.
It is
Yeah,
right
there
here.
it is right there. Okay, so we have actually made it here. We are at the property. The fellow that's meeting us here won't be here till 11:30, so he's going to be a little bit late, probably because of the traffic. It's really beautiful up here. There's an excellent view. I'm going to walk down the road here behind me a little bit and take some more video.
Guava.
Guava? Yeah.
Naranja.
Naranja?
Here.
This.
Achira.
¿Qué es?
Para envolver el tamal
Ah,
en este.
comida. They wrap
Sí.
that. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Coffee plant.
Sí.
Oh, there's the flowers, honey. Look at the flowers.
Where do you see the flowers?
Hermoso, mira.
Oh, okay. Mira.
Qué tipo of cafe?
Captura.
I don't know if you can see that little flower there or not.
Este.
Sí, espera.
The peel it?
No, it's secarlo.
Yeah, sí, Carlo. Okay.
Lo saca. Este se seca.
Yeah.
Oh, ahí también
Pero es
resbaloso. Es resbaloso.
I don't know.
Slippery.
Se lo deja secar y
Secar.
le sacas una cutícula.
Well, it is now noon and we are still waiting. We met a really nice guy down here. I don't know if you can see him behind me, but he is has a farm. He's from Loja as well. Anyway, he's told us a few things about the property in the area here, which is really nice. Seems very friendly. Anyway, it's noon. We're still waiting. He was supposed to be here at 11:30. If you're looking for property or you're doing business in Ecuador, this is very typical. You just have to be very patient. Look at them. Those are chilaos, or ovenbirds. Well, that is it for the tour of the house. Very nice man, Santiago's his name. Beautiful land, lots of fruit trees, very beautiful area. The house lacks a lot and we would have to spend a significant amount of money. So that's something we'd have to consider. Anyway, that's the tour for today. And we're going to be doing a lot more, so hope we're going to take you on this trip with us. So here we have stopped along the side of the road. We are actually down by the river. You won't be able to see the river, but it's back that direction on the road. And we are actually, there's a little bridge here that goes to a gate which is not used. And behind us there's a housing development of some kind. Hacienda La Trinidad. It's down in the valley. Anyway, as you can probably see behind me maybe, we are eating our lunch and then we're going to go and look on the other side of the valley. We don't have a specific property we're going to look at, but it's kind of part of the day, part of the trip, part of the experience. We thank you very much for watching us and joining us here on this little journey into looking at property. And we will see you next time on Passion for Life Gallery.